For those of you that are connecting to another flight, Baltimore has the following gate information for some connections. At gate Alpha 2 will be flight 161, service to Nashville and Raleigh. At BA Bravo 8 will be flight 311 to Raleigh-Durham. At Alpha 4 will be flight 1439 to Charleston. At Alpha 8 will be flight 1517 to Jacksonville. At Bravo 14 will be flight 2771 to West Palm. Bravo 4 will be 3675 to Norfolk. Bravo 12, 3313 to Charlotte. And Alpha 11 will be 2158 to Fort Myers. We are scheduled to arrive at Bravo 2. And just so go ahead and double check those TV monitors for the most up-to-date gate information. And for those of you that I didn't call your city, you will have plenty of time, so just go ahead and check those monitors in the terminal for your flight and gate information. Thank you. On behalf of your flight crew and all of us here at Southwest Airlines, welcome to Baltimore. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until we arrive at the gate. The captain turns off the seatbelt sign. Be careful when you open up the overhead bins. Items may have shifted during flight, they could fall out. You're free to turn on your cell phone, but please remain seated with those seatbelts fastened. For those of you that had connections, go ahead and check those monitors in the terminal for your flight information. This flight does continue on to Tampa, Florida, so if you are going on to Tampa this evening, please remain seated in your original rows. Once all the local passengers have deplaned, Denise is going to come through and count you as a through customer. Once we verify that count, we'll make another announcement for you folks, and you'll be able to change seats before the next portion of the flight. But once again, if you are going to Tampa, please remain seated. We thank you so much for choosing to fly here on Southwest Airlines. We hope that you've enjoyed your flight with us. Please come back to see us again real soon, and have a great evening here in Baltimore or wherever your final destination may take you.